Good day, this is the Professor, CBMD PhD, and today's Thursday, September 21st, 2023. It is 5:21 and 40 seconds, AM Eastern Standard Time, and today's research, Mars Gravity Analysis. So let's hop to it here. New Mars Gravity Analysis improves understanding of possible ancient ocean, date September 20th. 1923. Source: University of Alaska, Fairbanks. The first use of a method of analyzing Mars' gravitational force supports the idea that the planet once had an extensive northern ocean. In doing so, the method defines the scope of what scientists refer to as the Northern Martian Paleo-Ocean in more detail. A lot of people are excited about water on Mars because there may be life forms that once existed on Mars or maybe exist today in some material form. We can use this gravity approach to look for water on Mars because we have done it already on Earth. In an area of northern Africa, for example, this gravity approach found the shoreline of a long ago lake, and its finding was consistent with the archaeological evidence indicating a shoreline of that lake. The scientific investigators and astronomers say that analyzing the gravity aspects of Mars to better understand the planet improves upon prior approaches. They note that it can provide complete information with a better insight for the celestial body applicable in geology, geophysics, hydrology, glaciology, and other disciplines. Gravitational anomalies are areas of greater or weaker gravitational force exerted by a planetary body surface. Features: a mountain would exert a greater gravitational force because it has a higher concentration of mass than would be expected on a planet without surface features. Ocean basins and trenches would have less gravitational force. They also use topographic data from the Mars Orbital Laser Altimeter instrument aboard NASA's Mars Global Surveyor, which launched in November 1996 and mapped the planet for 4.5 years. The researchers used that approach to confirm earlier research about the existence of extensive paleo lakes or paleo river systems under the Saharan sands on Earth. The 2017 research also suggested a part of the Grand Egyptian Sand Sea as another candidate for a paleo lake. The gravity aspect method has also been used in the comparison of Earth's geological features to those of the cloud-shrouded Venus. And this is a professor of space technology, astronomy, advanced physics, mathematics, computer science, and leader of research. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.